Okay, today we are diving into something seriously cool. We're talking about your body's own personal powerhouse. It's this incredible story that's literally happening inside you right now, the story of your heart. Go ahead, try it right now. Just put your hand over your chest. You feel that? That steady thump, thump, thump. It's there when you're running around, when you're sleeping. It's always there. That's the sound of you being alive. And what you're feeling is this amazing muscle that's only about the size of your fist, but it's got one of the biggest jobs in your entire body. So how does it do it? What actually tells it to beat in the first place? Well, get this. Every single heartbeat you have starts with a tiny spark. Yeah, a little spark of electricity. It's not random at all. Your heart has its own little command center that makes sure every beat happens right on time. Deep inside your heart, there's this tiny group of special cells. Think of it as your body's own natural pacemaker. It's not a machine, it's a part of you. These cells create a tiny electrical pulse, and that pulse is like the starting pistol for every single heartbeat. So that little spark kicks off this awesome chain reaction. First, the pacemaker sends the signal. Then, that signal spreads through your heart muscle like a wave. Next, the muscle squeezes, it contracts, and that squeeze pushes the blood forward, sending it on its way. It's a perfect sequence: spark, spread, squeeze, and send. And once that blood is sent, it begins an absolutely epic journey. Imagine this huge superhighway inside you, made up of all these tubes and vessels. The heart is like the central station, pumping and keeping all the traffic moving, 24/7. Now, this whole system basically has two main missions. For mission one, blood that's low on oxygen makes a quick pit stop at the lungs. It's like a refueling station. It drops off all the waste, like carbon dioxide, and picks up fresh oxygen. Then, it's ready for mission two, taking all that awesome oxygen-rich blood and delivering it to the rest of your body. So why is this delivery so important? I mean, what's the big deal about this cargo that the blood is carrying around? Well, to put it simply, it's everything. It's the fuel that keeps you going. Your blood is like the ultimate delivery driver. It's carrying the most precious cargo you can imagine. We're talking about oxygen from the air you breathe, all the good nutrients from the food you eat. Basically, it's bringing the energy that every single one of your cells needs to do its job. I mean, that precious cargo is what's fueling the very thoughts you're having right now. It's powering your brain with a nonstop supply of oxygen so you can think and learn. It's also what powers your muscles. Every time you walk, run, jump, or even just lift your arm, that's this incredible delivery system at work. And we're not just talking about the big parts, like your brain and your muscles. This system reaches every tiny little corner of your body, right down to the last cell. It is a complete life support network, all inside of you. You know, when you really stop and think about it, the scale of this whole operation is just mind-blowing. Your heart is this silent guardian just working away in your chest, and you never even have to think about it. 100,000. That's roughly how many times your heart beats every single day. That's more than 35 million times a year. Can you imagine doing anything 100,000 times a day, every single day, without ever taking a break? It's just incredible. And this rhythm, it's been with you for almost your whole life. Your heart actually started beating long before you were even born. And today, it just does its thing automatically. You don't have to sit there and think, okay, beat, now beat again. It just does it. And it's designed to keep that rhythm going for your entire life. So, the next time you feel that thump in your chest, take a second to remember what it really is. It's the sound of your own personal powerhouse, that silent guardian, keeping you alive, one single beat at a time. It really makes you wonder, right? If your heart is doing all of that without you even noticing, what other amazing secret missions are happening inside your body right this very second? Definitely something to think about. Thanks for exploring this with me.